Hello everyone, as you can see we have another Star Wars The Black Series figure in front of us. This time it is Wedge Antilles, but we also have another one as well. We have X-Wing pilot Asty. Basically I thought I just got Wedge here. I thought maybe I can pick up another pilot as well, and I was able to get Asty pretty inexpensive, so I was happy with that. So that is why we have both of these figures that we will be unboxing today. We will be taking a look at the outside of the boxes. We will go ahead and unbox them, take a look at articulation, take some pictures, and go from there. Before we get started, though, I do want to say that we do have a giveaway going on, and I will put a link up here-ish, and it's very easy to enter, and if you are interested I invite you to do so. With that, let's go ahead and unbox these figures, and if you have any questions, feel free to ask down below. If you're liking the video, give it a thumbs up. All right, so let's go ahead and start with the older one here. This is X-Wing pilot Asty. The outside the box is definitely beat up. It is one of the older red box Black Series figures. It is number 14. Hope you can see that. There we go. And it says X-Wing pilot Asty, and it's got a designation of Bravo 4599. On the back, standard Black Series, and we've got Ello Asty is a skilled, if occasionally reckless, X-Wing starfighter pilot for the Resistance. And then there we go. And then we have Wedge Antilles here. This is the newer figure. And as you can see, it is 102. Hopefully you see that good. And it is Echo 6058. And then on the back, it's got the good image here of Wedge. And then it says, a talented young rebel pilot from Corellia. Wedge Antilles survived the attack on the first Death Star to become a respected veteran of Rogue Squadron. Speaking of which, Disney made a big announcement this week about Rogue Squadron. I am super excited to see what they do with that. All right, so let's go ahead and unbox these guys. We'll go ahead and start off with Asty here. I was able to find him on Amazon. It was relatively new. Wow. Do we not have? There it is. I was like, I thought we'd have to have. There we go. We have to have some sort of tape on here. It was a new figure, but obviously the box is not in perfect condition, so it's a good thing I am an opener and I'm not trying to keep this around. All right. Go ahead and put that with that. We do have a single blaster here, which we'll take a closer look at. We have the figure, so I'm really, man, his face is awesome. I'm really curious to see how he compares to Wedge here. I think they're from different time periods within the universe, but yeah, there we go. That is super cool. All right, and then we've got Wedge here. Let's keep your blaster over there. Like I said, we will be taking a look at the actual figures themselves, taking a look at the articulation and whatnot as well. Man, he does look awesome. Stay. There we go. All right, so we've got helmet. We have blaster, and then there we go. Stay. All right, cool. So I'm going to go ahead and get everything cleaned up, and we'll be right back. All right, so let's go ahead and start with the older figure first. We've got X-Wing pilot Asty here. I'm probably pronouncing his name wrong. The helmet comes on and off super easily. Let's take a look at the detail on that. I mean, wow. I got the symbol there, then the inside. Yeah. I'm liking this so far. And let's go ahead and take a look at his face. As you can see, his face looks awesome. The articulation on the head, it will go pretty far up, and that's it fully down. We'll get a little bit of turn, not really that much. It looks like it's on a, yeah, it's on a Y there. And then the arms, they do go all the way up. and rotate. The arm, though, it's not going to go full 90. The wrist does turn all the way there. The wrist goes left and right. That is probably the furthest I've seen one go in a long time. And this goes left and right as well. The torso does have a little bit of twist. You got to be careful because this cable is connected down below, so I'm not going to twist too far in either direction. We got a little bit up and down, not much. Got some good detail here. The blaster, which we'll take a look at now. Stay. There we go. It's unique. I don't think I've seen too many like this. Focus. And it does fit in the blaster. The holster here. One of my biggest pet peeves with some of these figures is they don't have holsters, and he definitely has a holster, which is good. The legs will go pretty far out. We do have the ability to turn at the upper thigh, as you can see, but just be careful again because that is connected. He does have a double knee. Wow. So good movement there. Actually, that is super loose too. And then his belt, for his flight suit, that is loose. And then, he's able to do up and down on the ankles, and that's pretty standard motion there. So, he's looking the way I would want him to. So, good job. That is awesome. So, we'll be taking a better look at him momentarily when we take our pictures. All right, then we got Wedge. Let's go ahead and take a look at Wedge's blaster first. That's a very familiar looking blaster, and not much else to say about that. All right, let's go ahead and take off his helmet. Pretty standard for the humanoid helmets here. Go ahead and look. Make sure we focus on the helmet. There we go. I like the weathering that they've done on this. Done a good job on that. All right, and then Wedge's face. I don't know if I just did that with the helmet or not, but focus. There we go. You can see we've got a little bit of smudge there. It's not bad. Head does turn all the way around. We do have good down and up movements. Arms go past 90. Wow. Look at that. And then no upper movement, but good detail here on the arm. Elbow does look, it's about the 90, which is I'm always looking forward to. This is going to be a left-right, and that's got good movement as well, just like Asty did. And then again, this was going to be an up-down. Really odd looking right there. There's not much connecting that. That's odd. And then unlike Asty, the stay. There we go. The pipe or the tubing connects right into the jacket. It doesn't go down to the leg. We do have the belts, and he is double kneed, but I don't know. That's about as far as he's going to go. I don't know why it's not going any further, but that's what we got. Maybe try bending. Nope. Huh. Not exactly great movement here. Then we're able to turn here and then also in the upper thigh as well. So at the boot and then at the ankle as well. So, yeah. I think he looks great. The motion on the legs, I'm a little disappointed with, but other than that, yeah, pretty good. And then helmet obviously goes on just like every other humanoid. Just make sure you get it on straight and make sure you get this chin strap there. Blaster, no place to put his blaster. I hate that. But, it is what it is. So let's go ahead and take some pictures, and we'll be right back. If you have any questions while I'm doing this, feel free to ask down below. If you're liking the video, give it a thumbs up. I think that was a good look at the figures. The face on Asty here, I keep coming back to. I think it's probably one of my new favorite figures here. The helmet, I had a heck of a time trying to get him to hold that helmet. I'm not going to lie. Wedge here, no problem whatsoever. Typical with the more humanoid fighter pilots here. So yeah, I mean, I think they're great figures. There's some definitely some problems with some of the movement and articulation, but as far as how you're probably going to be using these figures, I think they look great. I really do. There's something about the pilots. There's something about the troopers. They emulate, or they emit. I don't know what I'm trying to say. They are Star Wars. That's all there is to it. Anyways, so with that, if you have any questions, feel free to ask down below. If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up. And yeah, I invite you to enter the giveaway. Like I said, it was going to be up in here on the card area, but I also have it down in the description area as well. Assuming these guys are still available on Amazon, I'll put a link down in the description as well. And if you like Star Wars the Black Series, or anything else that a professional geek might find interesting, I invite you to look around the channel and subscribe as well. The channel is growing, and if you have any suggestions for things that we should do on the channel, I invite you to suggest that as well. I'm definitely always listening to you guys. So with that, have a great day.